Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel and this is your monthly reading for the month of May. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. If you're looking for a weekly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the video section, scroll down a bit and find your signs reading. Let's see how the month of May is going to be. The beginning of the month has one of stars and the three of suns. I do see that Aries sun moon rising or there is a Gemini sun moon rising that can be important for you. You could have it in your own chart or you would be dealing with such a person, not necessary, but these two signs popped up. Let me tell you that you are going to be victorious in some way, like you are going to be successful in some way. If you were facing with some sort of troubles and issues in your life, whether love life or career, they are going to go away. You're going to start something new as well. So if that was a money problem, it's going to go away. If you wanted to start a business and there were some hurdles in between, you're going to restart it now. I also see you moving into a new direction, could be a new job or a start of a new relationship as well. Whatever you're planning to do, I do see you getting victorious, you having victory, right? You winning and you being successful in anything that you choose in the month of May. Why am I saying that? Because the second card also confirms it. It talks about Four of Moons and the Magician card, right? The Magician card automatically means that your manifestation powers are at its peak in the month of May. Whatever you manifest is going to come true for you. So please think positive so that you are not attracting negative things into your life. I also see that recently somebody just abandoned you, left you without any explanation, probably ghosted you, and that has hurt you a lot. And if you guys have been praying for this person to come back or trying to manifest this person back in your life, I do see that this person will come back. Okay, so your manifestation power will come back. I do see a reconciliation happening for you guys as well. Coming to the second half of the month, you've got the Ten of Stars and the Empress. Now, this again talks about a departure, a separation, a blockage and hurdle in your life. So, I do see that they have been constant on and off between you and this person, right? They come and then they go, they come and then they go without any explanation. It's like they're playing with your heart, but not anymore. Why? Because you have raised your vibrations, you have raised your standards, okay? You have added taxes and prices to your attendance and presence and some more. I do see you, whether you are a male or a female, you are in your Empress energy. That means very high standards and no bullshit. So if this person comes back and if they're not giving you what you're asking them to give, like commitment, like loyalty, like stability, marriage, then you are not going to take them back for sure. Maybe there's a short reconciliation where you guys unlock and talk, but if you think that this person is still not changed, if you think this person is still not worthy, you're not going to take them back, and kudos to you. Maintain that positive energy, that high aura, that high energy, because people will really have to raise their standards. And the same goes for your work life as well. If you're in your career, your job, your business, if somebody is not giving you the worth of your money, the worth of your time, then probably you will be cutting them off as well. Now let's see, in the last part of your month, you've got the Eight of Moons and the Justice card. 8 8. It is a karmic number actually. So whatever is happening in your life is very karmically aligned. You can expect a lot of karmic changes in your life. So it could be that you have been dying for this person to get, their karma. But don't worry, you don't have to do anything. I also see that if you ended a relationship, if you ended a job, if you ended a career, you're very fearful about what is to come. You have that fear of the outcome, fear of the unknown, but you don't have to worry about, because karmically inclined things are happening for you. So if you have good karma, you will get good karma. If you have done bad karma, you can prepare for a bad karma. But whoever has done wrong to you, whoever has used you, whoever has abused you is going to get their karma for sure. So there's nothing to worry, because big changes are ahead for you. Karmically, things will be balanced for you. Whatever is meant for you will be happening for you in the month of May. Karma will play a major role in your life. Anything which is past life relations which have ended, let them end. Any new beginning that is happening in your life, new relationships or new jobs that are coming your way, let them come because they are aligned with your higher purpose. Karmically, some chapters will permanently close with some people, so let it. Okay. This is going to be a beautiful and powerful week for you because your energies are raising, because your manifestation powers are strong, and because everything is destined to happen the way it is happening. So it's beautiful. May month, you can see a lot of changes in your life, important changes in your life as well, and you will know exactly who is going to stay in your life and who isn't. So this was your monthly reading for the month of May. If you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Do comment and let me know that this is exactly what is happening in your life. Share your experiences, and I would love to read each and every comment, like it, and I will try to reply it as well. And yes, if you would like to book any personal readings, any rituals or counseling sessions, I do as well. Very cheap, very powerful ones. And yes, I do have audio video calls, half an hour, 1 hour calls, depending upon your budget and timings. You can choose from it. How do you have to book it? You can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel as well, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram because I post all such details on a daily basis over there. Here I'm only meeting you monthly or weekly. There on a daily basis you'll get the prices, discounts. I also have numerous other services like packages as well for people who are singles, in relationships, career. So you can choose from a vast variety of services and cheapest services possible. Okay, accurate and cheapest. So please go ahead. Ping me to know the prices as well. Otherwise, it's all over my stories on Instagram. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.